Welcome guys to our channel, and this is Midiamart Classic TV. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply for your company Kra PIN, just in case you want to have one. So you need to follow this procedure in order to get this company Kra PIN. The procedure is not that hard, it is simple, and the only thing you have to do is you need to have some of the requirements with you. You need to have a business registration certificate, or you need to have a business permit, and you need to have, if it means that the partnership, the business is all about the partnership, you need to have the ID numbers for the rest of the people or the partners getting their career pins. And once you have those things, which means it will be easier for you to have a company pin. Now, before we continue, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then you become part of the family, so that whenever I upload another video, you will be the first one to see it. Now, let us start our process of applying for company Kra PIN. All you have to do is that you need to come and put the link in the address bar as indicated above, itax.kra.go.ke, for you to access a page like this, such that you come here. Once you have accessed the page, you are here in this page of Kra iTax. You need to come here to register a PIN. Be patient. So once it brings you to this page, which means you need to come, they have said that taxpayer type, you need to come to this one, and I say non-individual. You click on non-individual, not individual. Individual means when you are applying for your own Kra PIN. But if you want to apply for the group, the company, you need to come here to non-individual Kra, and then you click. Then mode of registration, you need to come and click online form, and then you need to click on next. So once you click on next, it will bring you to this particular page, whereby you'll be required to fill some of the important details here. First, you will fill here, they have asked you, do you want to register for digital service tax? Then you have to pick this one, and you have to specify. If it is company, you have to click on company. If it is non-government organization, you have to click on non-government organization. If it is international organization, you have to click here and diplomat, and so on. So if it is the company, which means you have to click on the company, that is when you have the company business. Your business is all about company. And all you have to do is that you need to click on the company. If you have registered as private and it is a company, you have to click on company. And then from here, the business subtype, you have to select here. And then you see public company, private company, foreign company, and many others. So if your business is about public company, you click public company. If it is private, then you click private. For this case, I'm going to go with private. Then here in this particular field, you'll be required to fill the details of business registration certificate number or single business permit number. You have to put here either of the two. You have to put one if you have. Like if you have a single business permit, this normal business permit number, then you have to put here. You fill out the single permit business number here, and also the name of the business. Now, you have to proceed by coming here to business registration date, whereby you have to look at that permit and you'll find when you registered for your business, and then you have to come and pick this one called business commencement date. You click on the exact date that you are applying for this particular pay, and then you have to come and click on this one here, account period. You have to click to select the period according to that business permit, or you can select the period within that area that you apply in this pin. And then you have here have trading business name or different. You have to check this one if you have them. This red star, it means that those fields are mandatory. You have to fill them. Then you will proceed up to here. They have said that accounting ending month, you have to choose the accounting ending month. Let's say you can maybe if the accounting month is ending in the month of September, then you have to choose September. And then you will continue to do you wish to declare a legal representative. If you want to declare a legal representative, then you click yes. But if you don't want, you have to click no. And if you say yes, which means the legal representative pin will be needed here. Will be needed here. But if you don't have, which means you have to click no. Continue. And then here you have to fill the street where the business is located or your company is located, the building. You have to fill you have to fill the county. The county is in Mombasa, for instance. You have to choose you have to choose if it is in Mombasa, then you have to choose Mombasa. Like here, I can just take Mombasa as an example, just for you to understand. Like here, I can just feel like Cambo Road, just an example. Cambo Road, because the business, like if I say my business is located at the place where I'm recording, this is Cambo Road, and then you come and click on building. Of course, I'm in Maburi, you can just say Maburi, okay, you know the building name, you have to put the building name, and then you have to fill out the town, because this is Mombasa. This is just an example. I'm not saying that you use the same. Just the example for you to know what I'm trying to mean. Then the district, like it is Saudi district, and then you have to come to this one here, the tax area or locality, which is Maburi still. And then you have to come here, and then you choose the code for Mombasa. The code for Mombasa is 80-100. Then you have to put the telephone number. Now, here you will be required to put the email address for the company where the pin will be sent. If you put your personal email address, which means the pin will be sent to that particular email address. But I would advise if you can use the email address for the company, such that when time comes for the pin to be issued, it will be sent to you to the email address of the business. So you have to put here the email address of the business, and then you have to put the number of one of the directors, the one who is key leader. You can just put the number, and then you continue. And once you continue, which means you'll be required to fill out this one. They said that you have an alternative address. If you have an alternative address, then you have to click yes, so that you'll be able to fill the alternative the physical address for the business or where you are located. But if you don't have, which means you click no in order to know that. And then we have this one, details of the company ownership structure. They say, is the company you are requesting a subsidiary company? If it is a subsidiary, you say yes. If it is not, you say no. If it is yes, which means you have to be you need to specify. You need to fill out this one here, these other fields. But if you say no, which means you will not be required to fill out those fields there. Then do you wish to declare your bank account for tax refunds? This is when a KRA wants to return some of the funds to you. Maybe if in excess, then you have to fill out the bank. If you have, which means you have to click on yes, and then you have to specify the kind of the bank that you are using. If it is equity, you are using Bank of India, you are using what, then you have to specify. And if you don't have the details of that bank account, which means you have to maintain no, have to click no. And then here in this particular field, you'll be asked that this is the sector of the economy in which you are involved. So you need to specify your company is involved in which business, in which kind of business that your company is involved. So you need to come here and you select one of these topics that they have given you. They have given administrative support, construction, work. So they have given you. Let me say, if your business is about education, which means you need to give on education. If it is about real estates, and this is where about agentism and many others, and if it is education, for example, or construction or digital economy, you have to click that one. If it is about information and communication, you have to check. Let me just take this one of education as an example. You have to click this to select like education, then you come here to this one, the group. You can say you can pick this group, just education still, and then description. You have to come and click if it is pre-primary, pre-primary, and then primary education. Then you have to click on this one. If it is general secondary education, you have to click. If it is technical and application, if it is high institute, sports and recreation, cultural, what you have to choose. If yours is about primary, just a mere primary, you need to come and click primary, pre-primary, and then this is like the side. Sometime back they used to say nursery and then primary. So you have to choose this one here, and then the type you need to be specific. Is it primary or secondary? You need to choose. If it is primary, you need to choose primary, and then from here you just come and add. You add. You add here, and once you add, which means like let me choose once again. I want to choose like education. I want to be specific education. Then I click on pre-primary. I click on primary. Then from here I check this one. You select the activities as primary activities. Then I have chosen this one, as you have seen, which means once you select this field here that concerning your business, the things that are involved with your business, and you click add, it will be checked here, it will be summarized here. And then you have to continue. If was your business formed as a result of acquisition or amalgamation, you have to choose. If it is an acquisition, you say yes. If it is amalgamation, which means you have to click more. And then you have to proceed. Here, you have to upload the document. The document that you have to upload here, if you don't have supporting document, you have to upload this single business permit. And then you scan it, you upload it, you put it here. Choose, and then you put it here. And then from there, you have to continue. You click continue. Have to click next, then it will bring you here. And then you will be required to fill out the date. Of course, that same date for registering this company, Kra will be the one supposed to be here. Remember, these things are not active here simply because I haven't filled the form, the particulars here for like business registration number or single business permit. That's why when you come here to obligation details, these things are not active. But once you fill out the forms here, you fill out like business registration certificate, you fill, and then you come here, you also give the name of the business, and then you come and fill this other one. So once you come here, it means that this one will be active, and then it will give you, you have to fill the name, the time, the date, you are applying for this particular KRA pin for the business. And if your business is all about company, you have to fill it. You have to fill here something to do with the company, and then here private, which means you have to come here, then you say company, then it will come. If it is the income tax partnership, then you have to specify if it is the income partnership tax. You can see here you are not registered with the income tax partnership as your business subtype is not partnership. See? Let me say you need to fill here some of the correct details. Like here you put the company, and then here you just say private is private. That is when you come here to obligation. Here it will allow you to fill all the company tax, and then the debt will come here. Then from there you have to proceed to directors, like the people who are associated with this particular business. You need to add one director after the other. And this is where the problem is. This is where people make problems or make mistakes. So the only thing you have to do is you need to come and select if your business is all about directorship, which means you need to come and select director, and then you will be required to fill the PIN for that individual, one director, and then all the details of that person will appear here once you fill the KRA PIN. And remember, before you fill out the KRA PIN, all pins are supposed to be updated. Your pins are supposed to be updated. If you have all the pin is not updated, which means you don't accept. So for you to access this particular service of this director access, your pin is supposed to be up to date, supposed to be updated pin. Which means if you are using the old pin of some time ago, it will not apply here. They will require you to update the pin before you come and proceed here. So before you come and proceed in this particular section, you must make sure that all your pins are updated. All your pins are updated. So once you put the pin of any individual director, you come and add. The names will be listed here, down here. And then you put another director, you add. The name will be listed. If there are 3 or 5, all of them will be listed here. So once all those names of directors are being listed here, down here, which means you'll be able to click next. And once you click next, it will bring you here, whereby you will be able to add this some security. You have to add, like, for example, 181 plus 8. Then the figures will be here. Once you do that, which means you submit, and once you submit, it will ask you if the pin will go to the email address registered here earlier. Then you have to click OK, and then you wait for KRA to send a pin for you. It doesn't come immediately like that one of person. For company pin, normally sometimes it can come earlier, sometimes it can take like 2 weeks, like 3 weeks for it to come. So you need to be patient for your company KRA pin to be sent to your email address. And that is it, my dear friends. If you are following me and you haven't subscribed to my channel, which means you need to subscribe and be part of the family. Thank you. See you in the next video.